Hey everyone, if you clicked on this video, you are probably feeling a bit stuck with your coding skills, like you are doing tutorials endlessly but not actually getting better at building real things. It is frustrating. You watch course after course, follow along with projects, but when it comes to creating something from scratch, you just freeze. You know the syntax, you understand the concepts, but somehow it doesn't translate into actual capability. 6 months ago, I was having this exact conversation with a developer who had been coding for 2 years, but still felt like a complete beginner. He had done every React tutorial on YouTube but couldn't build a simple app without constantly Googling basic things. Here is what I realized: most of us think the solution is learning more frameworks or watching more tutorials, but that is actually keeping us stuck in what is called tutorial hell. What actually transforms your coding skills is not consuming more content, it is building the right project in the right order. And in this video, I am going to walk you through 7 specific projects that will genuinely level up your abilities. Not just your knowledge, but your actual programming solving confidence as a developer. So, the first project, personal portfolio website. It seems beginner, even it feels basic, but here is the twist: don't just follow a template, build it from scratch with HTML, CSS, and vanilla JavaScript. This teaches you fundamental DOM manipulation and responsive design principles that you will use in every project afterwards. The key learning is understanding how the browser actually works before jumping into framework. Project number 2, weather dashboard. This project forces you to work with APIs for the first time. You will learn how to handle asynchronous JavaScript, manage API keys securely, and deal with real world data that doesn't always come back in the format you expect. Most importantly, you will encounter your first proper debugging challenges, and that is where real learning happens. Before we dive into project number 3, if you are finding this roadmap useful, hit that subscribe button. It genuinely helps more developers discover these practical guides. So, project number 3, task management app. So, now we are getting into proper application logic. Build a to-do app but with a twist. Add feature like drag and drop, local storage, and keyboard shortcuts. This teaches you state management, event handling, and user experience thinking. The real lesson here is not about to-do lists. It is about managing complex application state without a framework first. Project number 4, e-commerce product page. It's kind of intermediate. This one is brilliant because it combines so many real world skills. You will handle image galleries, shopping carts logic, form validation, and price calculation. Plus, you will think about user flows and conversions optimization. At Uptexol, we have built dozens of e-commerce solutions, and the developers who understand these fundamentals always produce better code. Project number 5, real-time chat application. It is kind of advanced thing, but here is what things get interesting. You will learn WebSockets, real-time data synchronization, and how to handle multiple users. Use sockets.io with Node.js for the backend, and the project will break your assumptions about how web applications work in the best possible way. Now comes the project number 6, API driven blog platform. Build a full stack blog with user authentication, content management, and commenting system. Use a proper database like Postgres or MongoDB. Implement JWT authentication and create both admin and user interfaces. This is essentially a mini CMS, and it will teach you how real applications are architected. Project number 7, data visualization dashboard. It is a very expert level of thing, but it's the last project in this whole series. Connect to a real API, maybe GitHub's API for your coding stats or a financial API. Process the data and create interactive charts. Use D3.js or chart.js for visualization. This project combines data handling, visual design, and performance optimizations that are incredibly valuable in today's market. Here is what is interesting about this progression. Each project builds on the previous one. But more importantly, each one forces you to solve problems you haven't encountered before. That is what transforms tutorial knowledge into actual capability. The developer I mentioned earlier, he followed a similar path, and 6 months later, he was confidently building custom applications for clients. The difference was not that he learned more, it is that he learned to think like a developer rather than just following instructions. If you find these projects helpful and want to take your development skill to the next level, we actually help businesses and developers build real world applications at Uptech Soul. Whether you need a custom web app, mobile solution, or want to discuss turning one of these project ideas into something for your business, we offer free consultation to explore what is possible. And if this video helped clarify your coding journey, make sure to subscribe. I share practical development tutorials and real client projects breakdown every week. You can find the link in description below or simply visit uptechsoul.net to schedule a chat.